As well as comprehension quizzes for each fiction book's chapters in Purple Mash Library, there is also a folder for each book with additional teaching resources, which can be set as to-dos in Purple Mash itself. When you have decided on the book you wish to look at, you will then see a series of tabs, with each of the chapters and then the final tab saying Teaching Resources. When you click on here, you'll be able to download a zip folder containing additional PDF teaching resources for that book. This can then be downloaded, opened and extracted into a folder of your choice. Now that I've got the folder itself rather than the zip version, I can see that there are some PDF files with activities linked to the book I looked at. For this book, there are 3 PDFs with people activities as well as a teacher guide. The first people PDF is the grammar, punctuation and spelling one, with 3 activities within it. Next is a picture task with some inference-style questions to help the children further understand what they have read based on what they can see in the visual clues. The final pupil PDF is the quiz. It's the same one that could be set and marked electronically within Purple Mash Library. The teacher pack has the solutions guide for all these activities, including the quiz answers. If I wanted to set any of these activities for my pupils to do, I would need to do this through Purple Mash itself rather than Purple Mash Library. Firstly, I would need to upload the PDFs I want the children to complete to a work folder. To do this, I click on the tab that says Work, and then in the top right-hand corner there is an Upload button. I can then choose and upload the relevant PDFs I want the children to use and have access to. When I then set these as a to-do from the work folder, a new selection to the pop-up will appear, asking you to choose whether you would like the children to download the PDF, complete the task and then upload their answers, or use the option to launch the PDF annotator within Purple Mash. If the task has been set with PDF annotator, from a pupil's account, they would go to their to-dos as normal, identify the PDF task and press start. It will then appear like this, and they'll be able to write, highlight, or type their responses, where text boxes can be moved around if needed. When they're happy with what they've completed, the children then exit, save, and hand in, just like they would do with any other to-do within Purple Mash. If a piece of work has been set with the option for children to download the PDF, when they go to their to-dos, it will say open rather than start, and the PDF will then open using their web browser and their PDF tools on their device. If the PDF tools are available, the option to type, write and highlight their responses becomes available, just like it did with PDF Annotator. It will then need to be saved and uploaded to their to-dos using the Upload Work button within the to-do. It can then be handed in just as before. Whichever method of to-do has been set by you, the teacher, you can view the work in the same manner by clicking on See Work, See File, and it will then open up the children's submitted pieces. This first one was from when the to-do was set using the Purple Mash PDF Annotator. And the second one is from when the children needed to complete the task outside of Purple Mash and upload it afterwards. In either case, you can still set a redo, mark it as normal, as well as providing a comment, adding an assessment against the national curriculum, or add a Purple Mash reward.